हेलो एवरीवन। आज मैं आपके लिए लेके आया हूँ एमएस एक्सेल का एक और हैक, हाउ टू यूज़ फ्लैश फिल ऑप्शन इन एक्सेल. In the first column, I have mentioned the complete names, and in the second column, I want first names only, and in the third column, I want last names only. The first way is to do them manually, but Excel gives us the power to use flash fill option. So let's see how to do it. For the first record, we need to type it manually. In the last name also, we'll type it, and we need to click on the second record, and we need to press Control plus E. Similarly, in this column also, we need to press Control plus E. Friends, you can see we have used flash fill option, and we have retrieved first names in the first name column and last names in the second column. So similarly, if we have first name and last names are in different columns and we want to merge them, so how to do this? Similarly, we need to type for the first record, we need to type it manually, and we'll come to the second record and we'll press Control E. So guys, see, we can use flash fill option in both the scenarios and we can retrieve the data. I hope this hack will be useful for you. Do like and subscribe my channel.